Hello guys, it's W5748 here. Right, today we are going to be using the service cycle on the Miele W5748 Alright, we are currently in the service menu. Now, if you want to go to the actual service cycle, you need to go to components and press the start button, and it will come up with this. Now this tests the spray. Now that I think tests the pre-wash compartment. I'll have to check. Yeah, that's the pre-wash compartment. Now I think this one tests the main wash compartment. Yeah, that is the main wash compartment. No, I think that tests the fabric softener compartment. Yeah, that is fabric softener. I'm not entirely sure what that does. Taking a bit of a while. I have to see what it does. Oh, that's the. Are we back on the main? I think that. Oh, wait. No, I think that's the main wash. That'll do some tumbles. I don't think this is the hydromatic tumbles. Let me find it. Right, that will pump the water. That will drain the water out. Mate. We're just gonna wait for the water to pump out. Yeah, really nice chugging sound there. Now that will do it. That will do a spin at 1600 RPM. Don't know why it says UPM. I think that's RPM for German. And we're at 1600 RPM now. I think we're going to slow down. Oh, it's doing a spin. It's doing a spin rings. I remember Florence W60 did this on his Miele Prestige Plus. Anyway, I think I've been through all the options now, and yeah, I'm just gonna drain it out. Might see what this I'm just going to drain the water out. But guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you, also by the way, I managed to get a rough idea of this off a YouTuber called Washing Freak Videos, which yeah, massive credit to him for kind of teaching me how to do this. Though he didn't actually, but I will. Yeah. But I got it off him basically, and yeah, I will leave a link to his profile in the description. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, then leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can watch all my latest content. I might do, I think maybe in a few days I'll do a service cycle with clothing, I'm not sure, but yeah. I'll see you guys later, goodbye.